Welcome everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Well, almost ready for some action. The comics is about to open. Commodity exchange, that is. Oh, let me turn off the trading executions tab. Let's see what's going on. I think we're going for sell side liquidity at 78 on Nasdaq, by the way. So let's stick with that. How is everybody, by the way? Just asking. Robert, hey there. London looked good in hindsight. Well, technically, it was good. I mean, it was good. I liked it. I actually did like London. It was a good session. So now it feels like it's going down the stairs. NQ, that is. And I have no idea what ES is doing right now. We have sell side for ES at 52.70. So if it wants to go down further, we're gonna see this go. All right. Good to see you, Robert. How was your trading day so far? I mean, despite from viewing everything in hindsight. It's strange looking like this. I mean, I was looking for some divergences as well, just for fun. But I didn't really see any. The problem with divergence is if we are trending, then it's gonna cause some issues identifying the proper divergence for a retrace or for a pullback, whatever. So, yeah. So let's see. On the 1 hour, still going down. It's all about liquidity. It's all about liquidity. I think the nearest point for liquidity is down at 78. And by looking at these levels, it pretty much looks like it. So I guess we'll see. Almost 20 points down. Are we going to take this out or not? I think we should. Sooner or later. I think we should take this one out. What about news? We have Jolt's job opening. We might not going to have a significant move until the job openings report. I don't know. That's gonna be at 10 a.m. right? Yeah, that's 10 a.m. Not sure. Not sure if we're gonna see anything special until then. Looking at this price action, go to 79. Yeah, do I want to risk 10 points here on this trade? I don't know. Not sure. Not sure if I do. But it does look promising. We can go all the way to 411 for some liquidity. Let's look at the highs. Also on, oh yeah, it tapped into, what was the high here? The high here was 411 and also 411. So we have a fair value gap on the 5 minute. Question is, are we gonna take that or not? This is also a bearish order block on the 5 minute chart. Open is, anyway, I'm gonna go with this bearish order block. 5 minute. All right. What do we have on the 15 minute? Nothing on the 15. So this one's taken. Another bearish order block up here and another one up here. Multiple bearish order blocks. Not sure what to do with this. Let me know what you guys think. All right. Everything has been assembled. Charts are ready. We just have to wait. If we go to the 1 hour, what do we have? It's also worth to mention that at 514, 18,514, we have relative equal highs up there. So let me just put this up here, here. Relative equal highs. Center. All right. Oh, no. I'm not going to delete that. I'm going to leave that as it is. So relative equal highs up there. Also here at 411.12 area, should be going back inside this. There is a liquidity void, which is also there on the mini. Yeah, 720. 720, yeah, it's there. 746, 720. A lot of gaps Lack of volume, I guess, on those levels. So we're going into that order block. But still. So how about I say we should be having a possible reaction on this area at 419. 419. Trying to break that order block. And targeting those lows. And I could be having a limit order right there. How about that? And I could be risking within 50. I can go in. Risking 100. About 100. 3 micros. Okay. Wanna trade. Good morning and welcome everyone to the stream. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm thinking to place a limit order at 420. 420 limit order. Yeah. With 3 micros. Limit order 420. 1975. 1975 and the stop loss 440.50. 440. .50. Okay. Uh, 19.75. Hmm. $435. No. Stop loss level would be 39.75. Okay, that's fine. This is a good one. Marvel, hey there. How's it going? Joey. Good to see you guys. Well, I placed the limit order. I was just measuring some entries. Let me show you what I was working on. Right here. Where's the chart? Right here. Come on, let's go there. So this is my limit order. I'm only risking like $120. If I get a fill on this one, actually, I'm gonna go into a short. So my limit is at 19.75. $19.75. What do you guys think? Target 511. Okay. Okay. Well, it can go. It can definitely go. And I was just talking about this earlier. About these relative equal highs, which your target is. Look at this. It's beautiful. Relative equal highs up there. If this one is breaking structure to the upside, then of course I would say that my entry is off and my analysis is off, and I would be targeting these relative equal highs here. Lafta, hey there. Out of the 4-hour indices, I fell, consolidated, then fell again. The ES and NQ stay step way down. 5-minute chart. Yeah, Look at that, by the way. Yes. Look at this. Down to 63 it will go. I have a feeling about that. Oh wow, look at this drop. Actually, it reacted to this fair value gap on the 5-minute. So, yeah. No entry on my end just yet. But if it takes out this low, then it is what it is. Then my limit entry was too high for this. It went back below 400, and it's like 20 points to drop, so it can do it. Actually, it's very easy from here. Beautiful reaction on the 5-minute, by the way. This is a beautiful reaction, as it should be. So we do have a divergence as well. Should be going down. So my limit entry, I think it's not valid anymore. But if it's making a new low, then hey, anything can happen. Yeah, my limit entry is still there, but I don't know. Feels like it still has some places to. If it goes down to 78, then we have a clean scenario here. We're just gonna look for some reversals to the upside. We're gonna watch for those relative equal highs up there at 514-ish area. Until this one is not gonna make a new low, and if we see a steep sharp retracement up there, this one can be still valid, especially on the 5-minute. But I think I'm late for this move. Oh yeah, it's going down. Well, that is what it is. I think it's time to delete my limit order. Yeah, I'm deleting my limit order. So I am flat right now. I think it should go down, take out the 78, 79 area. 78.50 actually. Let's see. By the way, until we're waiting, just saying today is the last day to grab your 80% lifetime discount at Apex. If you want to support the stream, you can use my code and link. Thank you so much for considering. Also, My Funded Futures is still having a sale as far as I understand. So the code and the link is still working. All right. 88. It's only 10 points. Oh, hey there. Adrenaline Rush just subscribed. I like the name. Adrenaline Rush. Thank you for being part of the stream and the channel. Thank you. Welcome. Okay. Hmm. Oh, Mario Molina just subscribed. Thank you. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining. Thank you guys for being here. If anybody subscribes and doesn't see the alarm go off, is because your YouTube is not set to, I mean, it's set to private, but if you want to send the text, I'd be happy to give you a shout out. Welcome everyone on the stream. Please push the like as well. Let's push it. So the sell side liquidity is so far, yeah, there you go. Now this plan is off. Have to look for a new plan. VWAP is up there, which I don't really trade, but what do we have on the divergence side? Nothing so far. All right. So we made a new low. Sell side liquidity has been taken. We have very good targets if this one wants to go higher. ES also dropping. Actually, it's almost like a bullish SMT, and ES is the weaker one. So could expect a little bit of a bullish run from here. Thank you, Wanna Trade. Thank you. Good morning, Mario. Welcome, Mario, again. Thanks for joining the stream. How is your trading, Mario? How is everything? Olivier, hey there. One more 50k Apex to my pool for your support. Thank you. One more applause to you. Olivier, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. All right. What is going on? Well, if I zoom out to the 15-minute chart, no, let's go to the 1 hour and let's check out what's happening here. We still have quite a bit more of this fair value gap down there. Almost feels like a bullish order block on the 4 hour. Look at that. It's not the perfect one, but this is actually an order block starting from 18,272. So quite some space to drop from here. But these markers here indicate lower highs. Look at this, it's dropping. It's still dropping. ES should be taking out 52.63, only one handle away. Yeah. So let's look at this. I always measure the order block from the body of the candle, so there's definitely some space to go here. We have liquidity at 215. This one can drop. This one can still drop. I would be careful going long, that's for sure. But for now, it's just hard to tell. It's too low to go short and too low to go long without any confirmation. Okay. Nice drop here. Nice drop here. Look at this, still going. Which was the level again? Let me check it on the 4 hour. It was at 272. I'm gonna put a marker around here. It's not accurate, but it's gonna do just fine for now. So that's the order block down there. Bullish order block 4 hour. Top right. Okay. All we have to do is wait. All we have to do is wait. All right, all right. Let's go. Let's go. Well, so far this one is in free fall, so really no idea. No structure so far on the 1 minute. I feel a little bit of FOMO because of this 5-minute fair value gap here. Beautiful reaction. This was a nice reaction, but the order block is still up there. So if this one would decide to go higher, I would expect it to go above 427. But for now, we're just dropping. Actually, first target would be 410, but no structure. Absolutely no structure right now. So careful, everyone. ES made a new low. Market open will tell us, I guess. Sorry, just a quick phone. Just waiting, guys. Just waiting. The VWAP is in place. Divergence non-relative here. Free fall, guys. We are at the middle of nowhere. Without no structure, no clear direction. Definitely in a deep daily discount. Or should I say intraday discount? Only thing we can do right now is just wait. Still going down there. All right. Any ideas? I'm open for suggestions. I see no special levels here until the market is going to open up. So what can we do? Trader Oracle, howdy. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? Let's see. On trade, S2 310. You mean support? Okay. Let's see. 300 or 110. Yeah. Yeah, could be. 311 pivot point. Oh, yeah. I get it. Okay. I get it. Hold on a second. I'll be right back. All right, still dropping. Still dropping. Look at this. Next target, I'm almost sure that the 272 will be a possible target here. So, nothing to do until then, I guess so. What do you guys think? Let me know some ideas. I'm open for suggestions and ideas. All right. This is a structure which I like, but if I look at this here on the 4 hour, well, Peter, ES is in 1 hour busy. Volume needed? Yeah, I want to trade. ES is in 1 hour busy. 9:30. Nothing to do until 9:30. Crazy fall after. Oh, there you go. We have some chat going on. Crazy fall. Yeah, it's. I did not expect this before the market open. And we have news at 10 a.m. So I'm gonna put a vertical line to here. Actually, this is the news. That is news. Text, vertical. What news is this? All right. Text alignment, right. Okay. All right. Okay. Could be because of the escalation in the Middle East. Yeah, I was reading about it, and it's terrible, actually. I have absolutely no idea how far that crisis can go, but man, it's just bad. It's very bad. And yeah, let's see what is going on. I think this point here should be a good structure shift at 348. Talk about how bad Trump is. Don't pay attention to the Middle East. Just shared your channel. Oh, really? Thank you so much, Lofta. Thank you. Let me give you an applause. Biden verse. Okay, don't worry, guys. I'm not going to play the video with Donald Trump and Joe Biden talking about me. Don't worry, guys. Thank you for sharing the channel. All right. I got actually negative. Tom Saber for president. I got actually negative DM message because I played Donald Trump and Joe Biden AI video on the stream. I got like, it's not funny doing this or something like that. I don't know. Tom Saber for president. I give an applause for that. I think this move is from manufacturing ISM prices. Big bit. Yeah, people have no humor, so I got the DM yesterday for playing that video. This is not funny, and this is political, and I don't even know what else, because those are bad people, and and whatever, I don't even know. How can I put Andrew Tate in one video with Donald Trump? I don't even know what the hell was that. But who knows? Yeah, do a pullback anyhow. Yeah. The order block, I think, on the 4 hour starts at 272. We can go all the way down there. I'm gonna delete this side liquidity. It's not important anymore. Yeah. Oh yeah, exactly, Trader Oracle. There's always one guy have to ruin the fun. But yeah. Tesla numbers, Oliver. Tesla numbers are coming. Let me know. Let me know. Tesla numbers. Yep, I didn't know that. When is it going to? When is the release? Are there any news about that? Tesla news release. I'm gonna search for it. Give me a second. Tesla news release. Past 24 hours. Model 3. Latest updates, April 2nd. It happened 50 minutes ago already. Could this be the one? All right, I was hearing some stuff anyway. Low numbers. Tesla edges closer to officially unveiling Model 3. Mysterious technological blah blah blah. Okay, so this is not about that. Low numbers. Tesla has Wall Street worried about how many cars it just sold. It was news from yesterday. Okay. Okay. That's interesting. All right. So the numbers are not that good. Tesla dropping? Can I look at it here? Oh, come on. Tesla. It's delayed, right? I don't have the data. This is from yesterday. Yeah, oh no, it's still not open yet, of course. It's from yesterday. Yeah, it was dropping. I mean, this was the 1st of April. It can go down, actually. Tesla's Elon's rocket falling back to Earth. Well, could be. Okay. So this one is still just falling. 4-hour order block is at 272. And I have no entries, no structure shift, nothing. Which is interesting. Definitely interesting. All right. That's all we can do. Just wait. Still selling the ES. Let's check. Oh, wow. Look at that. ES is still going down. Look at the 1 hour. It's a beautiful bullish order block at 52.44. I'm going to put it right there. And it's 10 points away. I think it's going to go for that hourly order block. Look at that. It should be going down there. It's very tempting to go short here, to be honest. Okay. Oh man, I'm so tempted to jump in, but that would be chasing price before the market opens, so I'm not gonna do that. But that's a 1 hour order block. Bullish order block. Gonna have to wait. Maybe hard V-shaped recovery. It could happen. That is actually a very weird move when it does that. I mean, every now and then, almost every week, it does that. At the open, V-shaped recovery, boom, and goes exactly the opposite way. You can call it Judas swing, fake out, whatever, but it happens a lot. This would jumping in right now would be just chasing price, and I know it's tempting to jump on the train, but it's super dangerous to do right now, especially before market open. So but if I look at the 1 hour ES, it looks very nice. Look at this level here on the 1 hour chart. Beautiful. Relative equal lows at 52.33. I know this level. I marked this level in March. I remember this, and I strongly believe that that level is gonna get taken. But who am I to tell? Let me put some charts here. Yeah. But I think it's gonna go down sooner or later. I mean, it can also burst through. What was the risk on this one? Yeah, it can also just go through on 52.44 like butter. Could be super easy. Anyway, let's wait. It's tempting, I know, but let's just wait. But by the way, this other level down there at 33 is much more interesting, I think. In my personal opinion. Anyway. I switched to the MES still open. It's very clean on ES. This drop, I mean, I do like the targets down there. It's beautiful targets at 44 and 33. So I definitely like this, how it looks like, especially on the 1 hour. So it really looks good. And if NQ would decide to drop to the 4 hour order block, well, this one can be a sell-off, who knows? Let's watch ES for now. Is it going to reach the order block or not? I wonder what's down at 33. It can even go down to 34. Yeah, it can go down to 34 even. That's a beautiful sell side right there. Let's go. Let's go. No retracements so far. But the order block is beautiful at 44. I do like it. It looks good. Looks real good. Market open is in 15 minutes, a little bit more. Oh yeah, it's 15 minutes. Let's look at the 15-minute candle. No retracement so far. Still feels like it wants to drop all the way through the 44. Actually, the final target would for this one could be easily down at 33 if ES is dropping, or if it's going to continue to drop. This one goes for the order block too. Everybody and everything is going for those lows. But it's really, I mean, watching ES is really, really, really interesting. Like, I'm just gonna zoom this one out so you guys will know what I'm checking here, but I'm gonna put a area right there. You know. Bull's still on vacation. Yeah, Justin, right. Good to see you on the stream. Yes, back to March 20 breakout. Yeah, I mean, this level right there at March 20, this is I remember exactly for this day, because I thought that this is going to go down, and I remember that instead it just went up and created these equal lows. I do think that that level is significant, and so I'm gonna put a magnet, you know, just in case. But that level is significant, and that's what I think it could go. It's not a personalized guarantee, just saying, before anybody starts to go crazy on me. It's not a personalized guarantee. It's absolutely not. ES is still weak. NQ is going to the 4-hour order block down there. That's a 4-hour order block at 272. Maybe there's going to be a bit of a stop here before a market open, but we're very close to that order block, so it would be even more interesting if we could see it drop to 33, because that would be really awesome to see that. I just noticed this target. Thanks for your analysis. Instead of scalping, could have helped. I mean, you're welcome. I mean, I remember this day. I exactly remember the 20th of March, because I was so sure that we're going to break lower here, and it went up. So I said, okay, this level is going to be significant. I'm not saying it's going to break today. It can easily just go up there. We have some good targets, but this became a significant level for me. But it's, you know, it can do whatever it wants. The market can do whatever it wants. And since the market makers are watching this stream, I'm sure that, you know, they do everything to go against my analysis. My analysis is kind of a bullseye for the market makers. So anyway, I know it's a bad joke. I know. I'm not good in jokes. So, by the way, guys, if you could support the stream, just push the like button and subscribe to the channel. That would really help me out. Thank you so much. Also, today, the last day for Apex 80% lifetime discount. Use my link and code. The 30% off, surprisingly still working today at My Funded Futures for the starter accounts. So go ahead and use it. click the link and use the code for starters. No activation fee this week on my funded futures. If you want to YOLO it, $50 for the resets as well. So that is also very good on the starters. And TOPSTEP gives you an additional 20% discount if you use my link for registration. And BULENOX has the 83%, which is still good. That was the commercial. Thank you so much. BULENOX have another 90%. No, only 83% right now, but I can check it because they're literally changing it every single day. I mean, new coupon codes. No, only this one. 83% for option 1 accounts only. Option 2 accounts 45%. The option 2 is the end of day trailing. Just saying. But still, option 1 account is just as good. Like, you know, no issue. Just saying. So these are the things that you can do. All right. So ES stopped. Kapmaya, hey there. Welcome in the chat. What's your strategy for trading? One applause to you for being new here on the stream. Well, I mainly trade smart money concepts. I would say ICT, but I slowly start to deviate for my own way of trading, but mainly smart money concepts, looking for liquidity. Basically, that's what it's all about, you know, trying to search for possible levels of liquidity. And if I see a strong move or displacement towards that level, I just jump in with a good risk to reward, and that's it. That's how I trade in a nutshell. I used to check EMAs as well. I have an entry model for that if I want to go mechanical, but you know, mainly that's it. Almost at the 4-hour order block here. That will be interesting. I bought 4 times Apex Developer. Oh my god. Thank you guys, really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Really helps the stream, helps to pay the checks. Thank you. But really, I only had this year, I only had $350 payout from TOPSTEP. Last year, at the end of the from October, November, December, I made $4,200 from my Express account, and this year I only made $350. So affiliate links can help the stream. Thank you again. I'm not talking too much because I got my fair share. Talking too much about affiliations, sorry. But thank you. All right. I want to be a Lambo trader, guys. The goal is to make much more money from taking payouts, you know. That's the main goal here. That's the main goal. That's how it should go. So about 5 minutes until market open. It's gonna go crazy. Maybe, I don't know. I think maybe market open is not even gonna do so much. Everybody's gonna wait for the news. Jolt's job opening. So we arrived to the 4-hour bullish order block on Nasdaq. So anything can happen from here. Be careful. You know, the market open can shake everybody out. You know, even Nasdaq can just, you know, spike up. Also ES. We don't know if there's going to be any manipulation. That's why you just have to keep calm, patient. You know, this is ES. If ES wants to just you know, retrace higher back to like 57, 58. It can do that all the way to 60s. Just, you know, be careful. Okay. What is going on? How much time until market open? 3 minutes until open. Everybody, buckle your seatbelts. Where's the best place to check futures news for ES? The best place to check futures news for ES NQ when it's coming. Well, I use Financial Juice for reading the news. It's called financialjuice.com. I can post it here, the link. It's a free website, but if you subscribe to a monthly payment, I mean, it's delayed. If you use the free version, let me paste this here. I'm not a partner with this, but I mean, I'm just saying this one is a free one. If you subscribe, you get the news. I'm not saying instantly, but fairly good. They have some good articles also with the CPI. You know, you can use the links. You can extend some stuff here. They're pretty much talking about all kind of news like Amazon, Tesla. For example, I click on the Tesla news here, and I thought it's gonna bring me to a website, but it doesn't. Anyway, sometimes there's a link to a website for some news, but for subscribers there's much more stuff here. So it's not bad. If you're trading fundamentals, it's actually good. Oh yeah, or Forex Factory as well, of course. Forex Factory, of course. Forex Factory is like the OG. Or what's the other one? Yeah, there you go. There you go. So market is about to open. I'm gonna tell this in advance that you guys should cover your ears. The opening bell is gonna go on or go off, and it's very loud. So you have been warned. It's gonna be very loud. It's turned on. So yeah, just saying. And it's gonna go for 12 seconds. The opening bell, 12 seconds. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Markets open for business. ES retracing. Fast workers mass layoff started. Layoff started? Wow. That's not good, I guess. All right. ES retracing higher a little bit, not too much. So far, nothing special on the volume. Just a second. This is NQ, micro, Nasdaq on the 1 minute. as you can see, nothing really special here. We definitely have to wait for the news, guys. Jumping in right now would be a little bit of a gamble. So don't jump in just now, okay? Don't do anything crazy. It's not worth it, you know. I still think that we should be dropping down on ES. Maybe before the news. We still have time, 29 minutes, 28 minutes. Nasdaq is just hovering around here. No clean structure shift, nowhere, so nothing to do. A slight market structure shift here on ES, but I don't like it. I think it's gonna go down either way. Just saying. The VWAP is super far away on every time frame. We're in the middle of nowhere. Don't do anything crazy. We should wait for the news. All right, guys? I'm not in any position. All right, I'm gonna grab a drink and maybe just a few snacks to eat something. I'll be right back. Please push the like button and subscribe. I'll be back in 1 minute. Please don't go away. I'll be back. Sorry guys, I was just having a late lunch. Yes, finally dropped to the target. We should be going down to that 52.33 level, I guess. Should be. But I feel like, I mean, at this point, I would definitely wait for the news. On the 5 minute, it was a nice entry. Got to the order block and went down. Right there. Beautiful. Very nice. News will tell us finally what to do here. We have a fair value gap on the 4 hour. I'm going to mark that out. There's a possible sell side target. Sell side liquidity down there, 216. Copman, hey there. Would you say that SMC is much more effective than usual indicator strategy? How clean your charts? Well, I would say we were talking about this a few times. Every indicator is a lagging indicator, almost no exception, because indicators are showing you the past. So, but that being said, trading with indicators, you can be just as profitable just as profitable by trading smart money concepts. So I know personally traders who are using indicators and don't really care much about smart money concepts, and they make a killing. They're very good. It's personal preference, but I do like the clean candlesticks, possible levels. So yeah, for example, right now, anyway, let's not talk about now. The thing is that you have to try it for yourself. You know, if you give it a shot, give it like 3 to 6 months. Smart money concepts. I'm not saying you have to learn from ICT himself, but there are many educational videos about smart money. And honestly, I said it many times, I try to deviate from smart money concepts to carve my own little entry model, but it's very simple what I do. I just try to look for possible areas of liquidity. I look for so step 1, look for liquidity. Step 2, I want to see a strong movement, displacement in the direction of the liquidity. So that's number 2. And jump in on a fair value gap, or yeah, jump in on a fair value gap. That's my entry model. And risk reward, of course, that's number 4, but it's anyway, good risk to reward, minimum 1 to 1. But if it's possible, I go for 1 to 2. I'm not going for 5R or 10R trades because that's stupid. I'm sorry, no offense to anyone, but going for 10R, come on, man. So you can do it, but that's a different story. That's all I do. I'm looking for around 2R, maybe 1.5, 2 on average, and that's all. Nothing else. Nothing else. This is looking so good. It would be so good to let it go short. Yeah. But we have to wait for the news. I'm not in a trade. I'm flat. I'm waiting. But as far as I can tell, I think both ES and NQ is going to go down, and there's no way around this. Yeah, no problem. Looking at some of your oh well, don't look at the older videos. Actually, there's some good in there, but yeah. Last year when I started streaming, I did some stupid mistakes, a lot of stupid mistakes. So, but anyway. And I also blown accounts. I lost challenges. I got payouts too, but you know, comes and goes, all this stuff. But trying to be better. This YouTube is partially dedicated to journal my journey to be a constantly profitable trader. And yeah, that's it. I think nothing will happen until the news. So just have to wait. In fact, if I look at the 5-minute, this is almost like a bearish order block, but what were your previous life before trading? Well, you know, in my previous life, they said I was a freedom fighter at the 1800s, but no, jokes aside. I was working for an insurance company for a few years, and before that I was in the military. I was in the army, military, almost the same, right? Military. I was in, I'm very proud to say, I was in Africa campaign with the water purification platoon, and yeah, I was with NATO forces. Yeah, I know it's hard to believe, but I was a soldier with NATO forces. Yeah, but it was way back. I was like way younger. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I mean, it's my pleasure. I mean, I liked being in the military. It was a very one of the best years of my life, with very good memories. So it was a good one. It was a good one. And we were I mean, I was not in a fighting unit, although we had weapons and everything, but we were a logistics division. And inside that logistics division, I was with the water purification platoon. So we were making drinkable water from the ocean, actually, for yeah, in Africa. So I mean, that was the highest, that was the peak of my military career. But yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I was a corporal. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see what's going on. Waiting for news, guys, and after the news we will see which direction to take. We shall see, boys and girls. We shall see. Thank you. Thank you. The other day I was showing some pictures to the fellows here on stream, but I'm not sure where those pictures are now, but yeah, I was way younger. I was way younger. How are we doing? Still a little bit more than 5 minutes. Hovering here. I would like to see, to be honest, I would like to see the 52.33 being broken on ES. I think that's such a significant level here. That's why I put this magnet there. And not just that, it can go down to 26 or even further down. I see it go down to the 20s easily. We just have to wait for this news. What do we have? Okay, nothing. Never mind. Waiting for the news still. Nothing is moving, nothing is happening. At 40. This should drop through here because if you look at it on the 4 hour, sorry, I'm hovering all around here. We have this fair value gap on Nasdaq. Sorry, on the 4 hour chart. Let me put this right here. So we have this fair value gap down here, which is definitely an interesting target to go for. So yeah, how far is that? It's only 20 points. It can do it easily. Easily, super easy. Are we gonna take it? We should be. Should be taking it. 33. Oh yeah. 1626, almost 20 points. This drop should be happening, but entering now isn't. That would be absolutely crazy. That would be a gamble. So gotta practice patience here, and not to do anything. Just wait, guys. Just wait. Relative equal highs here. There is an order block, not too perfect, so can go either way. News in 2 minutes, so just wait. I don't really expect that much of a volume from this Jolt job opening. I don't know. We have a FOMC member later at lunchtime, right? Lunch hour. Yeah. So I'm not sure if that's going to change anything. All right, less than 2 minutes. Go gamble, guys, and no, really. Just buy a few accounts. You can YOLO them if you guys want to go one day pass at Apex. So if you want to YOLO a few accounts for the news, you can go all in. Welcome to do that if you know what you're doing. All right. But be careful. All right. Still 50 seconds. Come on. Come on. You can do this. All right, news in about 10 seconds. I'm gonna delete this. Right now, news. All right, let's see. News is out. ES spiked up a little bit. Nothing crazy going on. There you go, spike down. Oh my god. Down to 217. Went into that sell side liquidity that we talked about. ES is still holding. ES is still holding. Nasdaq spiked down. I don't know the numbers. I have no idea. No idea. As expected. So no surprise there, I guess. Which means, I mean, NQ made a new low, but ES didn't. Now that brings us to an interesting situation. Are we gonna go through here or not? I would be scared to jump in a short on Nasdaq, but ES still looks promising, to be honest. Should be taking out that low, but I don't know. Let me check something. It's 10 handles. Rabu Sagar, hey there, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the subscription, thank you so much. So I wonder if ES would go down to 34 even. Let's see what is down there at 34, 34.75, who knows? Because 52.33 would be that level down there. Hard to tell. It can also spike higher. NQ tries to do some move up there. If ES starts to shift structure here, we can easily go back up, but it's hard to tell from here. Taking some liquidity here. It might be going higher right now. I don't know. Not sure. It can also go for the high at, I mean, now we have a structure shift. The question remains, is this going to be enough? I'm not sure. Not sure. If it leaves this gap open, it can go. It can actually go. And I think it will leave this gap open. We have some highs up there on Nasdaq too. ES is still spiking higher, just a bit. Nothing fancy, but it does went higher. So it's not ready to break that 33 level yet. If we look at the 5-minute, we just arrived at the order block. The target could be easily the top of the order block, but we don't know that. So this would be an ideal long on Nasdaq, sorry, ES on the 1-minute. Take out the high of the order block up there. Easy target. Very, very, very easy target for ES. And for NQ. I think it will. If you look at the 5-minute, it's really easy. It should go up there. Otherwise, I don't know. I don't know. Bought one contract of gold. Okay, 600, nice. What's happening with gold? I didn't, oh yeah, there you go. Yeah. You should be fine then. Okay, so the question now is ES going to shift higher or going to try to break that level on the 1 hour? That is the big question for today. That level is down at, yeah, 33, 34. Not sure. There has to be some liquidity down there at 33, but you know, you gotta be patient. For now, I like the ES a little bit better, but NQ feels like it may want to fail right here, but it's really hard to tell. There are some good levels on the 4 hour on NQ too, but it should start to reprice those levels. If I look at the 4 hour ES, well, I don't know. That 33 level down there is interesting, that's for sure. I can imagine that we have some sell side liquidity down there. If the 1 minute ES is failing this formation and takes out the 40, 52.40, then we have a chance to take out the 33. A high chance. take out that 33. Let me check it once more. 34 actually. 34.50 maybe. I would say so. But it's holding for now. Let me know what you guys think. Because we just don't know. So we're just waiting. I do like ES because I like that 1 hour level. So I keep that under close observation. If we see at least 5 handles, then, you know, maybe we can try something. I'm not sure. If it breaks the 40, then it should go through the 33. To be honest. That would be a reasonable target, but the thing is that we don't see a displacement that I need for this one to attack this 33. I still think it's gonna go down and take out the 33 sooner or later. It's just weak, no bulls, no buyers. So I just don't like how it looks. There you go. There you go. 40 is taken out. And that means that 33 is a very good target on ES. Especially considering this level at, oh, there you go, 39, 38 even. We went down to 37.50. Yeah, this one is in the crosshair. Let me check NQ. NQ is going down again. So this long entry, I know this was a classic entry to go long, but this one is failing. And look at that, we are down on ES. 33 should be no problem for this ES. 52, 33 should be no issue. Should be no issue. Sorry, just a phone call. All right. All right. All right. All right. Let's see. Already down at, oh wow, look at this go. It was down at 35. Going down to 35. $35. Should go down. Any ideas, guys? If you look for something specific. That's the only play I see right now to take out the 52.33. Take that out. Take that out. Okay. Almost there. 3 points is nothing. NQ is stuck here. All right. ES still sliding lower to 33. Should take it out, I think. It's gonna be a slow liquidity run, high resistance liquidity run, but should be going down. Come on. Come on. Go down. It's only 4 points. Let me look at some divergence. Just for the fun. You know, it's only for fun. Okay. This one can be fun. How about I take a trade with micros on this account? Only based on divergence. This is very dangerous. It's only for scalping on based on the divergence. So please don't do it at home. And please do not do it at all, because what I'm preparing to do right now is actually very stupid. And I'm only taking the trade on this my funded futures evaluation account, which only has $62 in profit, and this is through trade await. Otherwise, I'm not in a trade on Quant Tower. So here's my order book. No orders, not order book, sorry, but no working orders right now. Actually, it is an order book, so never mind. Okay. All right, I'm still waiting for some bullish movement on Nasdaq, but first I'd like to see ES to finally take out that 33 level. That would be so good. Finally, I think it will go now. It should go. Okay, finally we're having some reaction. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay. Let's see where it goes. Okay, so I'll stop right down there. This is just a scalp with micros, nothing serious, so don't go crazy. I'm just playing around, just fooling around with some trades, so don't do this. Just trying to scalp here a little bit. Just trying to scalp based on divergence. I might going to close it manually. So let's wait. Yes, it's still going up. Yeah. Still waiting. Ready to close this position. Gonna wait until the candle close, maybe. No, it's retracing back down. Didn't really reach for liquidity up there, so it might go higher. Let's check regular NQ. Didn't go higher, so still waiting. Okay. Could be a possible long entry, ICT entry, who knows? If this one is gonna go overbought, I'm just going to maybe sell one contract. Okay, sold one. Sold one, and modifying this, putting this following this trade up here. So the stop is at break even. Nothing special. Hopefully this will go higher. Take out this. Is this a 5 minute? Yeah, 5 minute order block. I'm gonna trail this trade. So that's it. But at least we are in profit. It was a good entry. It was a good entry. This is only based on divergence. ES went up there again. 5 minute bearish order block here. Another one here. Feels like it wants to take out the 5250.50. So still want to go higher, but I have to be careful with NQ. Maybe my stop is a little bit too tight. Okay. Let's wait. Let's wait for what it wants to do. Until we wait, let me just tell you, grab your discounts, my funded futures, and Apex. Apex definitely ending the 80% lifetime sale today. So grab your link and code. And the my funded futures 30% off deal with starter is still on. And no activation fee on the starters until the end of this week. So the whole week, if you want to YOLO it, you can do so. Sun is shining. Sun is shining. Weather is sweet again. Make you wanna move. All right, still looking okay. And it's still going. So I can choose to trail this aggressively or just let it reprice this gap, and I'm gonna leave my stop right there. But if it wants to go for the 5 minute order block, so it should go for 72. Look at this nasty ES. Didn't take out the 33 up there at 43. What a dirty move. Okay, now NQ is repricing here. Okay, I'm not gonna move my stop for now. If it wants to go lower, let it go lower. It's actually making a new structure shift here with a fair value gap. Still have to wait for this candle to close. ES might be dropping, so that could be the issue. ES could go back to 33. Okay, I'm out from this trade, but it was a profitable trade. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. And what else? Maybe my stop was a little bit too tight. I don't know. Maybe. Feels like it wants to go for that 73 area. As for ES, if I go to the 15-minute chart, well, 33 could be a possible target. Let's wait. It actually, I mean, ES formed a possible short here. Here, on that gap. So it's really tempting to jump in and take a short on ES again. Take out that 33 again. You know, because why not? Sorry. So, not sure. Might want to go higher. Might want to go higher, who knows? $15-minute has been repriced. So, no other news. Beautiful sell side liquidity below 33. So actually on the 1 minute, it does look okay. If I zoom it out. If I'm still sticking with my analysis, then it looks okay to continue the drop, but we also have a 5-minute order block, so yeah, that's where it wants to go now. And that's where I think NQ can go as well. I'm gonna close this for now and see what it does. Actually, let me. Okay, never mind. I'm wondering if ES wants to try once more that 34 level. 30, yeah. Because that's my only possible target. So ES is ready to go there. Then we should be dropping. Nothing. Nothing, guys. Nothing else. It's just too slow. Too slow. We might have to keep on scalping. Siapan, hey there, great job. I like that you are very realistic with your trade entry and exit. Keep going. Thank you, Siapan. Thank you so much, and welcome to the stream. And please subscribe. Thank you again. Well, I'm just trying to measure some targets. You know, I like to see that 52.33 to be taken, but feels like the bears are out of steam. This was, I mean, we have a 5-minute order block here as well, and also on NQ. So if anyone wants to go aggressive on this gap, you can do so, because it can do. Hey Muhammad, how you doing? Good to see you again. We had some good targets, by the way, which has been taken. But I'm just not trusting price action now. I scalped a little bit here earlier. At least I made back some profits. Account summary. How does it look like right now? If I pull this off. Orders. No. Is this all? So today I made $65 on this My Funded Futures account. The rest of the accounts I made nearly $200 each on the evals, but those are with Quantower. Oh my god, the sun is crazy. It's shining, which is good. But it's real strong. It's almost like somebody pulled the plug on ES and Nasdaq. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Somebody just pulled the plug. But let me just say this. We have this 5-minute order block high, which is almost like a bearish breaker, but it's not. It's an order block. No, it's not a perfect order block, so I take that back. On ES, it is an order block. And I'd like to see that breaking. Also, we have another one up there at 53. That could be interesting. All we need is to see some displacement. That's all. That's all we need. To the downside, that is. Guys, by the way, until we're waiting, please push the like button, help out the stream. Push this thing higher. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. What is going on? Still feels like it's going higher. Gotta make me higher. All right. What else do we have? It's going for that 5-minute order block, I'm telling you guys. It's gonna go for it. Feels like it. All the way to 72. That's 30 points. So let's wait. We have no divergence, no nothing. Somebody pulled the plug, I'm telling you. That's it. Gotta make me. Let's just wait. If ES would finally decide to dump all the way down, the problem is that it closed above this gap here. That's a problem. And now it's acting as support. And as support, it could be going for the 52.50. But if it closes below this gap again, then it might go for the 33 again. That's very hard to decide. And I really don't want to force anything here. So do we have here? Latest updates. 2 hours ago. Okay. No major moves. We're just going sideways, guys. Closed back below this gap on ES. So this was a market structure shift. Closed back up there, closed down, closed up, closed down. This gap is pretty much a significant level at ES. So I like to call this bearish as much as I can, but going for 52.33 could be tricky. Okay, so it seems like we're going for the 5-minute order block high. Which is about less than 4 points away. Should go there. It should go there. Dum, 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 dum. Okay, NQ is stuck in this range. We're stuck. We are absolutely stuck here. Who knows how long it's gonna take? Gotta be patient. For me, it still looks bearish, even if I check the 5s, 15 minutes. Maybe. I want to see a shift again at 52.42 to even try to aim for that 33 level again. Might gonna go for it, I don't know. I want to see some good risk to reward as well. And I do like this level. How far it needs to retrace, that's the question. The hourly candle is closing in 13 minutes and 45 seconds. And it can go reprice about 52, 51 and then starts to drop. We don't know. Now it definitely feels like it's going for the 50. So 18,201. 18,201. Okay. All right. That could be a good target if it starts to drop. The stochastic is narrowing down as well. Should be seeing some action real soon. Hopefully not to the upside. Because it's really, really tempting to jump into a short. Especially on ES. How long has it been doing this? More than an hour. 1 hour and 20 minutes ago. I don't know. Just hovering. Oh, look at that. Now we have something. Now we have something finally. Okay. All right. Shifting here and here. Almost here as well. Took some buy side up here. Gotta wait for candle close. The next candle can go high as 43.25. Almost closed. Closing now. Possible short here. Not sure. Okay. If this one is going to leave this gap, then this is a potential short, but no repricing. It has to go up to 52.43.25. I'd like to see that. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. I'm not in a trade, so I don't know why I'm why I'm even talking about it like I was in a trade, but for example, if I look at this 5-minute, could be another divergence here, but it's hard to tell. Hey Zoltan, how you doing? Huge applause for everyone. You're not late actually. Somebody pulled the plug on NQ and ES again, so nothing really to do here for now. Waiting, just waiting, just waiting. I was hoping to see ES drop. That was really something I was looking for. But, you know. What can we do? Right? Yeah. Yeah, about the same here too. I'm not in a trade, I'm just trying to measure some possible targets. But there's just nothing really. I'm not in a trade, I just wanted to take this to take out 52.33. But there's really nothing. I feel like ES will drop to 33 any second. Yeah. Okay, down to 52.40. Kill zone is almost over, by the way. That would be interesting to see if we have some kind of a movement after the kill zone. I mean, officially it's until 11 a.m., right? But as we're approaching the lunch hour, we could see some movement. Could be seeing some movement, hopefully. The lack of volume at 200 points to upside. Yeah. At 200 points. Oh yeah. Nasdaq could give us the opportunity. Could give us the opportunity. It feels like there is a small divergence. If I look at it, there is a 5-minute bearish order block also. I'd like to think that this could be a possible long entry. I don't know. Should I go long here? All right. Took this one. Only on the straightaway to count. Just for fun. You know. Based on this small tiny divergence. So nothing special. I think it will go down anyways. I don't mind this account. This is just a 500 futures evaluation account here. No big deal with micros, so no biggie. Wanted to see if the divergence can play out this way, but I think it won't. As long as ES wants to take out that 33, NQ will follow. So yeah, NQ will follow that. It could do 300 plus in sneaky fashion. Oh yeah. Well, you know, Nasdaq can do it super easy. There you go, it took me out. Nasdaq can actually do it super easy. Oh, sorry, that's not it. I'm still in profit for the day. That's great. Somebody officially pulled the plug again. Again, it has been pulled. Really hard to tell. There was a tiny entry here. Not a big one, but it was valid. That fair value gap up there. That was a valid one to support the narrative to go down. So okay. Seems like that 33 is still looks good. And this one is targeting actually the 200. Wow. Is it gonna go for it really? It seems like it will. Seems like it wants to. Okay, 10 more points to go lower. Okay, now it's going for the 200. All right. Going through this 4-hour gap with NQ. And ES can finally break that 33 level. Maybe. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna cut it here. I'm super tired. Had a long day, but I ended up in profit, so it was still a good one. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you could support me, just use my codes and links. Some very good discounts. Apex is ending today. My from the futures, I don't even know how that's possible, but use the code and the link. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back in the London session tomorrow morning. All right. I think volume is just dead for now. Maybe in the PM session. Quick question, sure. Absolutely, absolutely. So yeah, maybe the PM session will bring some more volume. Maybe the lunch hour, I don't know. But it's just really, 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 really slow right now. Did we change? This is automatic New York, as you can see. Yeah. So it's UTC -4 is New York time zone. So yeah, that's what we should have, but it seems like we did not. Yeah, so yeah, UTC -4. Should go with that. Yeah, you should go with that. All right, guys. Thank you again. No, it isn't. It isn't. If you just have to look like New York time. Like New York time right now is 11:01. I don't know if it's UTC 5 or 4, whatever. But the thing is that Eastern Standard Time is 11 o'clock. That's what matters. Or if you type in EST time, that's 11:01. So we're in a good one. No problem, no problem. All right, guys, see you everyone, and be back in London session. Cheers and have a good evening, everyone. Bye there.